Welcome to Tesla Stock Daily Drive, where we steer through the latest in the financial markets with a special spotlight on Tesla. I'm Dusty, your host. Sit back and let's dive into today's ride through the economic landscape. As we kicked off this week, the United States markets took a breather for Memorial Day, leaving many investors focused on futures and global markets. With no trading activity on Monday, Tesla wrapped up last week at $339.34, taking a slight dip of 0.50%. But as is often the case with Tesla, what happens beyond market hours can be just as intriguing. Let's turn our attention to some key developments for Tesla. A storm is brewing in Europe, where Tesla's sales have taken a significant hit, plummeting nearly 53% in the EU in April. With overall sales falling 49% when including the UK and other nearby markets, Tesla faces mounting competition. Remarkably, BYD, a Chinese automaker, outpaced Tesla in European sales for the first time. Analysts mention various factors, from intense competition to CEO Elon Musk's controversial political ventures, as contributing to this setback. The Model Y, Tesla's stalwart, also faces challenges. Despite an upgrade, it appears demand isn't meeting expectations. Reports of inventory buildup have led Tesla to offer 0% financing, hinting at possible issues in attracting buyers. Despite these hurdles, some remain bullish on Tesla's future. Analyst Daniel Ives from Wedbush Securities maintains a $500 price target for TSLA. Eyes pinned on Tesla's ambitious plans for a robotaxi service, slated to begin cruising in Austin, Texas by June. Ives heralds this as a potential golden age for autonomous driving, even as Tesla navigates these choppy waters. Divided sentiment among investors is palpable. A recent poll showed half of retail traders are sticking with Tesla for the long haul, placing their faith in Musk's leadership. Yet, a significant portion is wary, worried about leadership unpredictability and shaky fundamentals. Casting an eye over broader market movements, U.S. futures showed optimism with a notable lift, buoyed by former President Trump's decision to delay hefty tariffs on the EU. The Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ futures all saw healthy gains as the announcement diffused immediate tension. Looking globally, European markets regained ground erased by tariff jitters, spurred by easing trade concerns and the ECB's supportive monetary stance. Meanwhile, over in Asia, the Nikkei inched upward, and India's indices surged, celebrating domestic optimism. Economic indicators are on the horizon, promising a busy week. Revised U.S. Q1 GDP figures are awaited, alongside inflation data from the Eurozone and beyond. These metrics could paint a more detailed economic picture, shaping market directions moving forward. In other notable news, Adina Brands, the owner of Monsoon and Accessorize, suffered losses amid dampened consumer demand and wage pressures. Meanwhile, in the UK, food producers express frustration over potential delays in post-Brexit import checks, a move seen as costly and inefficient. As we pause here, Tesla remains in sharp focus for many investors as trading resumes. The ongoing shifts in international markets and Tesla's strategic pivots will likely bring further developments and opportunities to assess. That's your drive through the latest in Tesla and the markets. I'm Dusty, reminding you that when the dust settles, only the truth remains. Thanks for tuning in, and join me next time as we continue to track Tesla's journey. Safe investing.